Saturday, sleep until 1 to 3:30 Netflix, stare at the wall for an hour, pretend like I'm going to go to the gym, 6 o'clock dinner with myself, I cannot miss that. I'm booked. I decided I need to go some of this weekend. Basically the plan is to just find the cheapest ticket that goes somewhere that's relatively cool, and that's how you do it, because the key to traveling is not going where you actually want to go, but just letting fate decide for you. See, a lot of people have it all wrong. They'll decide where they want to go, and they'll plan something, and they'll go do it, and they'll have a great time. The problem with that is, if things go wrong with the plan, then you only got yourself to blame. But if you never plan anything, you can always just blame fate when everything turns into a huge disaster, rather than having to live with the consequences of your own decisions. Austria. And the winner of the cheapest ticket, but still going somewhere reasonably interesting, is Sofia, Bulgaria! So this ticket's with one of those super cheap airlines, but then they just blast you with fees. Like, oh, you need to check in? Bam, $50. What's that? You need a seat too? Another $50. You need us to pressurize the cabin? $1 million. Let's talk about packing. A lot of people don't know how to pack efficiently and just end up bringing way too much stuff, which is gonna get you screwed, especially if you're flying on one of these airlines where you can't really bring a check-in bag or even a carry-on without, having to go bankrupt. So I'm gonna show you how you should be packing to make sure you only have the bare necessities.
Look for the bare necessities, the simple.
Pair of underwear and a toothbrush. No, that's ridiculous. You don't need the underwear. Where did I put it? So if you're actually interested in seeing how I'm gonna pack, extra shirt, chargers, socks, thermals, passport, toiletries, underwear, entertainment. All that's going in my backpack. Everything else I'll be wearing on me. Let's get this show on the road. So a lot of times for me, the actual getting to the airport is more expensive than the flight itself, which is a little bit annoying just based on principle, but regardless. I live about an hour away from the airport. There's a few different ways you can get there. I'm gonna be driving to Frankfurt and then parking at one of those local park and ride parking lots, and then I'm gonna be taking a shuttle from there to the airport.
Firma in Offenbach und tatsächlich Verena. Just like me.
Oh, hold on. No, we're okay. Okay, good. Seems reasonable.
And on the other side, even the duration time in the cars.
Another key to traveling, since everything is so expensive in airports, you gotta take advantage of getting as much of those free samples as you can. Just had a bit of a heart attack. I got to security and it was way longer than I thought it was gonna be, and I ran through, just got to the gate, and luckily they're a little bit behind, so they're still boarding, so I'm all good. But that's how I travel. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in Bulgaria.